Hi and welcome to part 1 in my tutorial system on using the content management system called Ghost. You will see here at the top the place that you've logged into, easypublish.online, and there it says Ghost there. Ghost is the name of this content management system. easypublishing.online is the domain that MCEA has taken out to host this dashboard, this place to do your posts and publications. Right, so when you've logged in, this is where you arrive, and to get started on a post, you of course go to posts here and click on the plus sign. There's your page. Now the temptation is to just copy some content in here. That's not the way to go. You need to use this plus icon here. This is where all the magic happens. It gives you wonderful possibilities and great flexibility in how you post things, and the more able you are, the more you're able to make use of this. The simplest way to start with publications is to put your content in Markdown. Now here, so you go to, having pressed the plus icon, you go to Markdown and click, and there is this wonderful content box, and here at the bottom is a menu for formatting your text. So let's put in some text. Right, so this is my tutorial. Now let's make that a heading, so we click on the H here. This asterisk is the markdown. That's what causes it to come out as a heading. And if you click on the question mark here, it tells you more about it. So one asterisk means that's the H1, that's the big heading, and then you get them smaller by putting more asterisks on there. So let's make this, let's add an asterisk here so it's not so large. Don't like very large headings, especially in your content box. So then we go down and we carry on. This will be a series. Whoop. Great. So that's our text there. Now if we click anywhere off that content box, you see the text. That's how it's going to appear on your page in the website. If you're not happy with your text, you click on it again and you see this little pencil, which is your edit. Click on there and you can do something to change your text. This will be a series. That's not work straight away. Let's try it again. It's not wanting to let me enter the text. Let's be patient here. Don't know why that is. Let's double click it and see what happens. Yeah, that worked. Double click is another way of doing it. Just double click on the box. Let's go back to that. This is a series about the Ghost CMS. Stop there. So click outside the box and that's your text. So this is part 1, and this is the place to start. And by making use of by making use of that plus icon, you can put your text in there. So do that first, see how you get on, let me know if there are any problems, and then we'll go on to part 2. So this part is just about putting your initial text content in there. In the next part, we'll go on to putting in the title here and adding a image by using this magic plus icon that gives us this wonderful menu of possibilities. Here we've got image, and that's the one we're going to use in the next part of this tutorial. Anyway, do this first then, what I've shown you today, and let me know how you get on.